To deposit money on Mexc, start by locating and opening the app on your device. Once open, navigate to the search function, typically found at the bottom row of your screen, alongside options such as today's games, apps, and arcade. Initiate a search for Mexc, and from the results, download the Mexc Buy and Sell Bitcoin app. After installation, locate the newly downloaded app on your device and open it. To proceed, you will need to log in to your Mexc account, which can be done by accessing the top left corner of the screen. Upon logging in, you will see options at the bottom row of your screen, including Home, Markets, Trade, Futures, and Wallets. Select the Wallets option to access the deposit function. Within your wallet, you have the option to deposit funds using various cryptocurrencies such as USDT, USDC, and BTC. Additionally, you can also deposit money through other methods like B. The deposit process can be facilitated through the crypto platform, allowing for a convenient transfer of funds. By following these steps, you can easily deposit money into your Mexc account through your wallet.